What's up guys, I'm Faisal and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. So currently we're in a lockdown and the whole world is in quarantine. Hopefully everyone is in quarantine and staying at home and not leaving the house unless it's essential or to go out to do a bit of exercise. And today is March the 27th. I think it's just been a week or just slightly over a week that we've been on lockdown here in the UK. I've been doing a few home workouts like at home or like in the garden, and I've gone out to the park just to go for a jog and just get some exercise in. So I just got my hair cut last week, I think it was a Thursday or Friday. It was the day before where the UK officially went on lockdown. So luckily I got my haircut done because a lot of people haven't, and now they're just dreading that they're just at home with long hair and looking like a mess and haven't cut their hair. Okay, so I just wet my hair and I just towel dried it, so it's still a bit wet. My hair's quite thin and quite lightweight, so I don't use products that are really that give you like a really strong hold. I don't really change up my products, so what I've been using for the past few years is the Got2b Beach Matte Mermaid Look Texturizing Sea Salt Spray, and then I also use a powder as well, so like a styling powder, texturizing powder. The one that I really like is the Got2b powder, but I also had this redken which I bought a few years ago. The Got2b one ran out and I hadn't used this up. I used like a bit of it, so now that one ran out ages ago. I've just been using this one. It's okay. It's quite a really strong hold. I prefer the Got2b one because it's more of a lighter hold. This one just makes your hair really, I don't feel very coarse and very gritty. So I'd like the Got2b one a bit more. And also my haircut that I got was a fade, like a #1 fade, and then just a scissor cut at the top and took like an inch off. What I do first, this is almost finished, I don't really need to get more, is I just spray this in my hair, and then I'll just get like a brush and then brush it all through. Like that. And then I'll just get a blow dryer, and then I'll just get a blow dryer, and then I'll just like blow dry it and put it in shape. And then once I've like brushed it and like blow dried it, I'll get it and then like pick a bit up and then just like twist the brush and then just blow dry it so it just stands up more. And another thing I do, I'll pick it up and then kind of like twist it in your fingers and then just blow dry that into shape. Okay, so sea salt spray is really good for any hair type. If you have like thin hair, then it's like the best thing ever to use like as a like a pre-styler, and then you could go and add more. I don't use like pastes or waxes or anything because I find it just like clumps my hair together. And then I'll just finish it off with the powder. With this powder, it's only got like one little hole in it. The Got2b one had like several, like loads of different holes, so you could just sprinkle it and then just like distribute it. But because this has got one, if you like just put it, like sprinkle it in your hair, it just goes into one place and you get like a clump of just a powder in like one place. So with this one, what I do, I just put it in my hand, about that much, and I like rub my hands together, and then try not to breathe in, and then just work it through. Now I didn't add a lot of sea salt spray. Usually I would add a bit more because not holding up too much. Yeah, usually I would add a bit more sea salt spray than I usually do. I'm just looking in the mirror. Got a mirror there and at the bottom. Usually I have it sticking up a bit more here on the sides, but I didn't add a lot of sea salt spray actually, so that's my bad. And then what I'll do, I'll just finish it off with some hairspray, which I don't know, let me go get. So currently I've got the Got To Be Made For Mess Texturizing hairspray. I've had this for such a long time. It's like such a massive bottle, like it lasts so long. I've had this for years. I don't always add hairspray, but I do sometimes, like from time to time. Just like hold it in place, and then what you could do is get the blow dryer, put it on the low setting, just to like dry the hairspray and just hold it in place. And then once you've done that, you can just go back and then just mess it up again. Just like remold it. So you can use the texturizing powder by itself without even using the sea salt spray, or you can add sea salt spray as well, up to you. Like that. As I didn't add too much sea salt spray, the back, like the sides here, aren't holding up too much, but it's fine. But yeah, that's basically it. I don't really like spend too much doing my hair. I also don't do my hair often. Like, I can't be bothered with doing my hair, to be honest. Like, I never go to like out anywhere, work or uni. Sometimes I do. Okay. And yeah, so that's the finished product. What do you guys think? And yeah, that's the finished product. So what do you guys think? It's just really simple, quick and easy way to do your hair. You can use these products for any hair type. Using sea salt spray is really good because it just gives you a lot of texture and volume, and it's a good first step to get some volume into the hair, just to shape it before you add any like powders or any waxes or anything, and just gives you that kind of that beachy, wavy kind of messy kind of look where you put no effort into it. So yeah, you can use the sea salt spray by itself. You can even use it on like it's like undone hair. So if you like come out of the shower, you just wash your hair and you can just spray it straight on and not do anything with your hair, so not like style it up, and then it will just give you some texture, kind of wavy, messy kind of look. But yeah, so that's how I do my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below, and also follow my links to my social media. But yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.